Hello.
Hey guys, how are you?
I'm okay, bro.
Man, welcome home. Let me help you hold this.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. Guys, I'm trying to hold the camera.
Yeah.
So, first you said you've been following me for a while, and even one time I went live with you.
Yeah, sure. You went live with me.
Yes.
When you were inviting your subscribers to chat with you live.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, his name is Otenga, right?
Otenga Junior Travels.
Otenga Junior Travels.
Yeah.
How many hours did you travel to come here?
Around 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah, because I'm just staying here at Kisii.
Yes.
Yeah, not
so he
far
came
away.
here building, guys. So it's a lot of noise. That's why we are walking away from the noise. Maybe we keep going that way. So guys, Otenga, what do you have in store for me? Wait. I just realized something here. Yeah. Soja. Mwita, chukua hii mayai upe soja. Umuonyeshe sehemu tumeitoa. Guys, you got an egg here. Yes. Hiyo ni akanga. Yes. Pea soja. Guys, we got an egg there. My birds are running around by themselves, so maybe that's why.
Yeah.
So Otenga, what do you have in store for me, man? Or what was your biggest wish meeting me? You know,
I just wanted to meet you, Maze. You are my biggest idol. I can say you are my god, like people say.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
All time great.
Ronaldo is their god, but in Africa,
Yes.
you are my god because how
Why,
you do your
man?
thing.
Why, bro?
Because how you do your stuff, man.
Yeah.
I just love how you do your stuff.
Okay, let's walk that way. Yes.
Yeah, I just love how you do your stuff. You see, you just do things good-heartedly.
Yes.
And also, you know, like I told you when you were going live,
Yes.
I subscribed to your channel through David Jr.
Okay.
But from there,
Yes.
I've been just following you crazily.
Wow.
And what you've been doing, even if you are outside there,
Thank
that's
you.
talking about Europe,
Yes.
you've helped a lot of people, introducing them to
YouTube,
YouTube
yeah,
and
it's
a lot of stuff too.
Yes.
So here, another
Yes.
thing that made me to come today.
Yes.
I just wanted to see the work that you're doing.
All right, bro.
Yeah, like
I'll give you a tour. The only
Yeah.
thing is just don't film the kids
Okay.
because some people will not understand.
Sure.
Yes, and I welcome you. And maybe when the house is complete, you see you're already putting the wall.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
that's
saw,
a
I
3-meter
saw.
wall we are putting here. We built it in 2 days.
Oh,
from
the other
top to I was paying per block. So when you do that, people work hard because they
sure.
know
Yeah.
I can make more money than the normal regular pay that I make.
Yeah, so you can double.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's your biggest wish? Like the biggest wish you really always, or question you always wanted to ask Marwa, and you're here with him. When you look at me and say, "Ooh, this guy," okay, the day I'll meet you.
Yeah, the day I'll meet you.
Just be honest.
Yeah.
It can be anything. It can be anything. Don't be like, "Hey, Marwa, this is too much."
No.
Mhm.
What I wanted to ask from you,
Yes.
because I know your subscribers are genuine.
Yes.
I just need them to follow my YouTube channel.
How many subscribers do you have right now?
Right now I have 4.5
Okay.
4.5k
Okay.
subscribers,
Okay.
but they are not
Active.
active subscribers.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just
What's
wanted-
your most watched video? I'll teach you how to make subscribers today. What's your most watched video?
my most watched
What
video?
are you doing, or what is it
Oh,
all about?
Okay, I'll say this. Okay, the way I got the subscribers,
Okay.
I
Hold
use
this for me.
I
I'm
use
sorry.
somebody's content.
Okay.
Yeah, I use somebody's content
Yes.
to gain subscribers.
Okay.
But the video that I do,
Yes.
I just do traveling videos.
So if you really want to make subscribers, I'll teach you this because it's good I show you how to fish
Yeah,
than to give you the fish.
yeah,
Always put your face on camera. Always be the guy.
yeah,
Be the guy. Be the Maro. So once people know who you are,
yeah.
it's easy for them to follow you.
Sure.
But if you use somebody's content or reacting to stories, it's the stories that bring them to your channel.
Yeah.
But if you become you, it's you who brings them to the channel. What did Maro do today? Hey, there's a new video.
Yeah.
So that excitement is very important to growing a channel.
Yeah.
Actually, and the beauty of that is you don't need anybody, any type of content. You just need yourself and your creativity every single day.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, because sometimes, let's say when I have a beautiful girl, that's when people watch my videos. What if today the beautiful girl goes away?
They want to watch yours.
Yes,
Yeah.
but if me, I've been here for 5 years on YouTube,
Yeah.
and one of the biggest secrets, even I'll be putting this as my part of my masterclass, is always be the star of the show. Yes,
Yeah, sure,
when you are the
sure.
star, anything else can be extras, but you as the star. Yes,
Yeah.
you know. So that's what I can advise.
Yeah,
Actually, if you follow that,
yeah,
you'll never lack subscribers.
I like that.
Yes,
I
you.
try to do that.
And the beauty of that is it's gonna be slow, but
yeah.
as you keep every single day, you get one fan who believes in you. You add another one. You add another one, and you don't worry about time. Don't be like it's not growing. They are not. All you need is loyal subscribers.
Yeah,
Even if you better have 10 than 1,000 who are not loyal.
Yeah, like right now I have got 4.5, but they are not that active.
So start building something new.
yeah,
Let me say, if you're watching from Ayamaro here, subscribe to his YouTube channel and also be his loyal subscriber, guys. We need just, all you need is 1,000 loyal subscribers only.
yeah,
The rest is a joke,
yeah,
because with that, with 1,000, you can always grow.
yeah, sure.
Yes, always.
So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
All right.
And also to those people, because I've got real fans on Facebook, to those
Yes.
who will be watching this video, please
Go
subscribe
check
to
me.
I Am Marwa's
Check me
channel.
out. Thank you, guys.
I'll
Yes.
put his link down here, and always I've been putting your links on
Oh.
my Facebook page.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been mentioning you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
because
you.
the work
Guys,
that
if you're
doing-
watching here, subscribe
yeah,
to his channel, support a young brother. He's also just as you. Okay.
I just need real followers, because my YouTube channel is already monetized.
Okay, they have already had you. Guys.
Yeah.
My people will do something.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you. You can still do some other videos later.
Yeah.
Let me do. I have like 5 more videos to do
Oh,
and still check my work.
okay.
All right, guys. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you very much, Marwa.
All
I
right.
really appreciate the
All right.
welcome.
All right.
I really
Don't
appreciate
worry. It's just a busy day.
Yeah.
And if I'm not busy, if I'm not careful,
Yeah.
I lose a lot of money.
Yeah, sure.
Because
Even we discussed it over there.
Yes.
Yeah, you see, you are very busy.
Yes.
And if you don't do that, people will just be there and they don't
Yes.
work.
So you have
Yeah.
to assign.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
All
also,
right.
I wanted to ask you a question about
Yes.
this break.
Yeah.
What, how do you guys make this? Like,
It's very easy to build these bricks.
Yeah.
It's very easy to create them. I mean, all you need is sand and cement.
oh, just
So
sand and cement.
Sand and cement.
Oh.
Yes, sand and cement.
Oh, because
And
I
the
saw,
beauty of this is you can build, you can create them today, and tomorrow you build.
oh,
like
but
this
this
wall-
just strong.
Yeah, I
Oh,
told you.
this-
Even my house is built by this.
By
block.
this?
Yes.
Oh.
This is like a stone. You can't crack it.
Oh.
And once you put it in a wall like that,
Yeah.
it's just enormous.
Oh.
Okay, let me go, my brother, because I have like more people waiting for me. So I don't
you
feel
very
like that guy went. And,
I'm very humble.
All right, bro. Thank you. All right.
Yeah, you're so
I
welcome.
asante.
Thanks,
Let
man.
me check.
So guys, I'm just super happy. Yeah, that's Ayamara. I've just talked to Ayamarwa. Yeah, guys, I'm just super happy. Just talked to Ayamarwa, and he has just given me an advice on how to do my things. Wow, man. So guys, please, if you're watching from Ayamarwa, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll show you a lot of places, a lot of things that you need to see. Yeah, so let me give you a tour of his compound. Wow, you can't believe I am in Ayamarwa's villa. I'm so happy. Wow. Just wanted to do this, man. Just to come to this place and enjoy. Even if it is not still completed. Wow, this is Ayamarwa's villa. Let's look at some up here. Wow. I don't know why those people have gone. But now this is the how do you call it? It has got a name. Yeah, I used to say like helipad will be landing here. Wow. Yeah. And also she has agreed so that we do a video with him. Wow, man. This guy's just humble. Just love everything. Man. So I am at Ayamarwa's mansion, man. So guys, if you are from Ayamarwa's, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg you. Wow, it's just amazing, man. I didn't know what to ask, but I'm not going to include that. He asked me a question. Wow, just amazing, bro.